Hi everyone, this is Rohit, and at the end of the video, you will know how much a software engineer in India would earn. The like target of this video is 25 likes, so please smash the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such content. So let's get started. So this video is divided into two parts. The first part is where I'm going to tell you about the things that decide how much salary you earn and the components of salary in detail. In the second part, I would be taking some examples of various companies where you would know how much you could earn per month. As an example, I have added the timestamp in the description below so that you can jump into that section which you are interested in the most. Part 1. What decides how much you earn? So now a software engineer has a really wide range of salary. The primary parameters which decides how much money you would earn is 1. How much years of experience you have. 2. Which company you did work in the past. 3. What is your position at that company. 4. Any stocks that have appreciated, the tech stocks. 5. Which college that you have studied from. This is applicable mostly for freshers. 6. What skills do you have, whether it's full stack, blockchain or AI. Let's also talk about the components of a salary. I hate to break it to you, but when a company says that they are going to offer 50 lakhs CTC or 60 lakhs CTC package, or someone get this crazy amount of packages as a fresher, just take a moment and really think. If the package were really this high, don't you think all the people who have done engineering degrees pursue such companies? You are actually going to get much lesser than the CTC amount. The CTC, if you don't know, stands for cost to company, where there is no legal definition here in India. That means that the companies are free to add whatever they want in this CTC. It can contain your health insurance premium, your life insurance premium, the total cost of the paid time offs or holidays that you can get in the company, the total stock vested for 4 years collectively, or even the free food that you get in the cafeteria. So you got the point. What you should be paying attention to are these factors. 1. Joining bonus. Now this bonus can be given to you on a monthly basis or one time when you join the company, which usually has a clawback. That means if you want to leave the company within 1 year, then you would have to repay back the company the entire amount or partial amount, depending on what is written in your employment offer. 2. Base salary. This is the real cash component which you would be taking home, which contains your HRA, basic, your EPF contribution from your side, and sometimes the company's contribution as well. So do ask your recruiter if the company's contribution is included in that base or not. And this is the actual amount that you would get per month, so you can divide by 12 safely here. Of course, this is pre-tax amount. 3. Stocks. If the company is public, then this has no real value. If the company is not public, then it's just paper money, where there is no value associated to it. The company offers you RSUs or ESOPs. RSU stands for Restricted Stock Units, where you would be given the company shares into your own demat account when that stocks has been vested. This vesting period is very important, so make sure you understand this before signing the offer. ESOP is an employee stock ownership plan where the company tend to give you the opportunity to buy specific amount of shares on a face value which the company has decided to give you. So you have to buy it from the company. You are not getting that amount for free like RSUs. 4. Relocation bonus. This amount is given to you when you need to relocate from one city to another. That's why you might have seen that recruiters ask you, where do you currently work now? Since they understand that the company has to pay you for a relocation bonus if the company's location and your current location is different. 5. Retention bonus. You get this when you stay in the company for X number of years and sometimes have clawback clauses in them as well. Some things that would be deducted from your salary can be gratuity, professional tax as well. So now let's talk about fresher role. When you have just graduated from college, let's simplify a bit. So I would like to categorize companies into low, middle and high group, where low pay companies are companies from service-based companies or product-based companies that pay less than 5 lakhs per year. Mid-pay companies are companies that are from service-based or product-based as well that pays around 5 lakhs to 15 lakhs per year. High-pay companies are companies that pay more than 15 lakhs per year. And if you want me to make a video on how to get into these high-paying companies, do let me me know in the comment section below. So how do you identify which company pays a high income? You can check my other video which shows how to find salary ranges for companies, so you can click on the top right corner. Part 2, let's talk about the examples. So example number 1, if you got a salary range of 3 lakhs to 6 lakhs, which is a base, not CTC, you could earn a monthly income of 25k to 41k. Example 2, salary range between 10 lakhs to 20 lakhs, where you can earn a monthly income of 75k to 1.3 lakhs per year. Example 3, which can be from fang companies or mang companies. So the salary range can be from 24 lakhs to 30 lakhs. So your monthly income could be 1.56 lakhs to 1.96 lakhs. Please note that this can contain stocks as well, which would vest yearly. So basically, if you leave a company earlier than 1 year, then you might not get this full amount. So after looking at all these examples, you might know why people are talking about these fang or mang companies, since they offer not only high salaries but prestige as well. This prestige helps you to get interview calls much easier since you have a stamp of approval from the top tier companies. This also helps you to get into a higher position in a startup companies, and sometimes in the future you can get funding to your own startup if you have one in the future. You can watch my interview experience with Google, which is one of the top tier companies, so you can click on the top right corner, and I'll also make another videos where I will explain that what are the things that you can negotiate while accepting an offer from any company. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified. Thanks for watching.